how to delete account. Hello everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I will teach you how you can delete your account. The first step is to log in into your account just like I've done here. Then move to the bottom left corner where you can see your gear icon and click on it. So once you click on it, you'll be taken to the settings page. So on this page, the next step is for you to move to the bottom part of the setting page and then click on account center. This is because you cannot um delete your account on your own. You would have to submit it as a request to the customer support of So by clicking on account center, you'll be taken to this page. So once you're on this page, the next step is for you to move to the top part of the screen where you can see another gear icon. So once you can see that, the next step is for you to click on it. And so you can see options like privacy policy, get updates and use for Mattel, account slash personal data request. So click on that. And so you can see account slash personal data request. You can see a box displayed. Showcasing some write-up which says you have the option to request to download or delete the data, etc. Then if you still want to delete your account, click on the account slash personal detailed data request at the bottom part of the box, and so you wait for the page to load. So once it's downloading, you'll be redirected to your Chrome browser. Here you'll be asked to enter in the pin in the box here. A pin would have been sent to you, or you can just copy this and then paste the pin here. Then go ahead and click on submit. All right, or you would ensure that you have your player ID, okay, or your player pin. All right, your pin would have been given to you when you created your account to be your profile page. To ensure you have that, so you can just come over here, paste the pin, click on submit, and then you'll be taken to the next page where you see some prompt. Follow the prompts to confirm your account deletion. Then you see a page where you see a number of boxes. Go ahead, check the necessary boxes, select a reason for deletion, tap delete my game account, and then your game account would be deleted automatically. And then if perhaps you do not know how to get your player ID or your player pin, just click on how can I get my player ID or player pin, and then you'll be directed on how you can get it and your account would be deleted. So this is it. All right, this is how you can delete your account. Thank you for watching and have a good day.